In this video, I'll try to show you what all things you can do with OpenGL. To begin with, the project which we made was based on Star Wars. All of you might be knowing Star Wars for sure. So, what all things you can do with OpenGL? In OpenGL, you can draw scene. You can draw scene, take a screenshot, get it printed. In OpenGL, you can create animation. What is animation? Animations are just uses of for and if statements so that it creates a meaning. Uh, Animations can be of two types: 2D animations and 3D animations. 2D animations are just like drawing a square, cube, or square, circle, and then using them to show actions. 3D animation can be done in two ways. Either you have a good idea about the geometric shapes, and then you use your knowledge to create the character, or you have good skills in other 3D modeling tools. So currently we used a 3D modeling tool called Blender, and we created a character. The character is a stormtrooper, as it seems like. So the stormtrooper came from the outer space to Earth because the deal which they had wasn't fulfilled, and he's very angry. As we saw, he destroyed one house already, but still that doesn't satisfy his anger. He wants to cause more destruction on Earth, so he emits his laser and he cuts them into two. This thing, like destruction on Earth by the stormtroopers, keep on happening for some 10 years. During these 10 years, the Earth has developed so much that they can send a person from the Earth to the outer space so that he can fight with these stormtroopers there. But the question arises, who will fight? Because the people on Earth don't have so many skills to fight against the stormtroopers. So in the next slide, we'll be training a character uh, who will go to the outer space and fight against the stormtroopers. So the stormtrooper caused destruction on Earth and is now on his way back to his base. So coming to slide 2, now Earth has developed so much that we can send a person on outer space to fight. The character on this slide has few actions, like if you press A, the character will move back. If you press D, the character will move right. If you press S, the character will sit. So these actions are controlled by the person operating. That's me. So the character is moved right, and we come to second scene where we have to train the character. So we reach the punching bag and we see the options that we have. Okay, we have to press J to punch, K to kick, and L to defend. As you can see, you get a +5 when you punch, you get a +10 when you kick, and you don't get anything when you defend. Because that's how it goes. When you're fighting against someone, if you defend, it's just for saving your life, and it doesn't cause any impact on the person in front of you. So we train our character using punch and kick, and we use defend when we are fighting against the villain. So we have successfully trained our character, and it's time for us to go and fight in the outer space. We move the character forward. Yeah, one more point, the character can move backward also. It's all your choice, whichever direction you want to go. But staying connected, we want to move the character forward, and then now we have to fight against the villain. One more point, that we have a strong chance that we might lose because the villain has all the capabilities that the hero has, and it's gonna be a fair match. So we won the match, and now we can. So back on Earth, it's peace now, and the people are celebrating. Thank you guys for watching. This is Mohit Yadav signing off.